Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to unsuspend TikTok account. So let's get started. So if your TikTok account got suspended and now if you want to unsuspend your account, then what you can do is just simply create a dummy account or just use your friend's TikTok account and then type in a message for TikTok. So what you can do is just simply open up your TikTok application that you have created. So after opening up your TikTok, now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile which is on the bottom right. After tapping on your profile, now in the top right corner you will find a three bar icon. Just tap on it and then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and you should find the option which is report a problem. Just tap on report a problem. After tapping on report a problem, now what you can do is just simply report your problem that you are facing. So just scroll down and then tap on submit a problem. And after tapping on submit a problem, now you have to write a feedback to TikTok. So what you can do is just simply type in my account got suspended. So if you have violated some TikTok community guidelines, then you might not access your account because you have violated those guidelines. But if you haven't, and even though you got suspended, then what you can do is just simply type in this message which says my account got suspended, I want to unsuspend my account. Then what you can do is if you also have some images of your suspended account, what you can do is just simply enter them over here. So just simply enter those images and you can also type in the feedback and then tap on submit. After entering all the images and feedback, now what you have to do is in the bottom you can also enter your account's username which got suspended, and after doing all that just simply tap on submit, and after tapping on submit your feedback should be sent to TikTok and they will react to your TikTok by fixing the problem. So that's it guys, this is how to unsuspend TikTok account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.